We're really excited about this S.T.E.M Innovation Institute. As you all know, America will continue to lead the world in the technology and science. I think that's one of the reasons why we provide American people and a very better life, better safety, and better health. And I think one of the really reasons to stimulate all of this is because we have a free market system. And the free market system really stimulates the innovation, the imagination, and everything else. So we still will be able to continue to lead the world in the science and technology world. We need a place like this in Okaloosa County. So the inventors, the engineers, the entrepreneurs can all get together and freely to come out with some better ideas to do things and not only benefit our own people in Okaloosa County, but hopefully the entire America and the entire world. So this place is really, really needed.
Well, we are trying to diversify the programming that we offer young people to incite interest in STEM fields, and we do this by reaching them at the younger ages through camps and workshops, robotics and drones and exploring, aviation and 3D printing and things like that. And then as they accelerate in their work, they get special projects and challenges. They're able to participate in internships and work side by side with subject matter experts from local employers.
The community really support us. I'll give you a quick example. Just a few months ago, we decided we want to build some PPE, the personal protection, and we call it a facial shield. And the community absolutely come out, 100% support us. The S.T.E.M Automotive provide all the material. The Harbor Field Airmen donate their time, and we use our place. We use the 3D printers, and which is bought by the Air Force money, and we start manufacture the face shield. We have manufactured over 5,000 these shields. We support it to all the hospital in the locally, and including the Eglin Hospital and Harbor Field Hospital. So community is the only reason why we can come this far.
I think that the participants in this program, they have a stake in this place. There's no cost to them, and that's a really unique feature of the facility, but it's a privilege. And it means that when they come here, they have to give as much as they get. They give their ideas, they give their work, their earnest effort. These are kids of all backgrounds. We have a very diverse program that reaches all communities. We have minority students, we have lower income students represented as well, and we also have students of all academic backgrounds. And so when they come in here, they're more open-minded. They haven't been placed here by some requirement, some school requirement. So they're active and they're fun. They're looking for the social element of it. There's some freedom with being in here. They get to be autonomous in some ways, but they also have responsibilities, and they take it seriously. We've really rarely ever had any students that didn't appreciate the privilege of being here. And so we want to continue to offer them opportunities throughout their student life and on into their professional life. So one of the goals of the S.T.E.M Innovation Institute is to isolate those particular skill sets that students are trying to perfect and bring more and more programming to meet their needs. So letting them know, notifying them constantly of opportunities that may or may not be in this facility. And so those students kind of look at this as a hub of an ecosystem for them to go out and find the right stepping stones towards a successful career.
I really want this place to stay a long period of time because, again, all the innovation, all the creative thinkings, all these doers, all these thinkers, all the engineers, all the inventors, all the entrepreneurs, all going to create it by this place like this. So I'm hoping that with the community support, and we'll be here for a long, long time to come.